I'm in one of the many testing centers here that the government has started this random testing facility. One that I'm standing right behind me is here at Khandailat, which is popularly known as Police Bazaar, while another one is also at Modpran, where we will show you the visuals, where we can also see that people have come forward and voluntarily, getting themselves tested with nobody asking them to come forward and get themselves tested. They have taken self-responsibility to get themselves tested, and we're going to find out from the people what they think about this initiative that has been taken by the government.
It's a very good initiative government has taken, and government is prepared well to take this to provide the people to get tested, all the necessary things, and I hope everybody will cooperate and get tested. It's good for the nation as well as state also.
ये बहुत अच्छा है, ये पब्लिक के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। हम लोग का भी सेफ्टी है, इसलिए हम लोग दुकान में काम करते अभिनंदन पे, तो वहाँ से हम लोग सब स्टाफ निकला, क्योंकि अगर किसी का मन में कोई सके तो वो निकल जाएगा ना, इसलिए ये अच्छा ही लगा हम लोग को।
कोई खर्चा हुआ इसमें? नहीं,
कोई खर्चा नहीं है।
और कितना टाइम लिया? आप कितने बजे आए थे और कितने बजे?
मैं तो लाइन पे खड़ा हुई यहाँ पे 10 मिनट, और टेस्ट हो गया, टेस्ट और नाम लिखना से 10 मिनट हो गया, खत्म।
Yes, yesterday it was the day one for the rapid antigen testing for COVID-19, and yesterday we had completed 218 cases, out of which all were negative. Today till now we have tested about 173 cases approximately. Exact figures are not with me, but approximately 173 cases, out of which they have just informed me that there are about 3 to 4 positive cases which have come to their knowledge, but we are yet to finalize everything. So necessary information will be passed to the additional DMHO for necessary follow-up action. All the people from our locality especially to come and get themselves tested, so that we can collectively fight against this pandemic COVID-19. And people from other areas also who are visiting Police Bazaar are voluntarily coming to Police Bazaar and getting themselves tested.
Conducted from 16th in and around Shillong. Railbound on the 16th, we tested 700 people, 701, and the number of positives we got is 38. Maupat on 17th August, 79 people tested, all negative. Jalupara, 18th August, 150 tested, 18 positive. Akwamopran, 18th August, 140 tested, 6 positives. Umpling, Lumding Mat, on 17th August, 123 tested, all negative.
As mentioned by the Director of Health Services, that random testing centers have been set up in several localities of Shillong areas and also in other districts. Now what we have seen is that in these random testing centers, positive cases have been detected, and the Director of Health Services, Dr. Amanwar, said that we are nearing to a community transmission here in Shillong. This is Princess Rasher reporting from Meghalaya for East Mojo. If you have any questions, please post your questions in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe to East Mojo, and don't forget to press the bell icon.